Bicycles come in all shapes and sizes, each designed to meet specific needs. If you're looking for convenience, portability, and easy storage, a folding bike might be your ideal choice. On the other hand, if you prioritize performance, durability, and a smoother ride, a regular bike could be a better fit. Both have their strengths, so let's dive into their differences to help you choose the right one. Introduction. Bikes have become an essential part of daily commuting, fitness, and adventure. But when it comes to choosing between a folding bike and a regular bike, the decision can be tough. A folding bike offers unmatched portability, while a regular bike provides better speed and stability. Which one is right for you? Let's compare their key features, performance, and overall advantages.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Design and build. Folding bikes are built for portability. They feature a compact, lightweight frame that can be easily folded for storage and transport. Most models come with smaller wheels and a hinged frame that allows them to collapse into a compact size, making them ideal for urban commuters and travelers. Regular bikes, however, are designed for stability, speed, and efficiency. They have a rigid frame, larger wheels, and a more aerodynamic design, making them perfect for long rides, high speeds, and various terrains. Unlike folding bikes, they do not have moving joints in the frame, which adds to their durability. Performance and terrain folding bikes are best suited for city commuting, short rides, and mixed transportation, such as combining cycling with public transit. Their smaller wheels make them quick to accelerate, but less stable on rough roads. They are excellent for stop-and-go traffic, but not ideal for high-speed or long-distance rides. Regular bikes excel in performance, comfort, and efficiency. They handle a wider range of terrains, including rough roads, hills, and long-distance rides. Their larger wheels provide better traction and stability, making them the preferred choice for cyclists who prioritize comfort and endurance. Comfort and riding experience. Folding bikes offer a compact and upright riding position, which is comfortable for short distances but can feel less stable compared to regular bikes. The smaller wheels and shorter wheelbase can make the ride bumpier on uneven terrain. Regular bikes are designed with ergonomics and riding comfort in mind. Whether it's a road bike, mountain bike, or hybrid, the geometry and larger wheels allow for smoother, more controlled rides. They provide better posture options for longer trips and rougher roads. Durability and maintenance. Folding bikes have more moving parts, which means they require regular maintenance to ensure the folding mechanism remains functional. The smaller wheels and compact frame may also wear out faster compared to a regular bike. Regular bikes have fewer mechanical joints, making them more durable in the long run. They require standard bike maintenance, but generally last longer and withstand more rugged use. Which one is right for you? If you need a lightweight, portable bike for city commuting, apartment living, or mixed transportation, a folding bike is an excellent choice. It's designed for convenience and easy storage, making it ideal for urban lifestyles. However, if you prioritize speed, performance, and durability, a regular bike will be a better fit. Whether it's for fitness, adventure, or long-distance rides, a traditional bike offers better comfort and efficiency. No matter which bike you choose, the right one is the one that fits your lifestyle. If you need convenience and portability, a folding bike is a game changer. But if you crave performance and versatility, a regular bike will take you further. Choose wisely, ride freely, and enjoy every journey.